Hello guys, welcome to 360 Space. If you've not subscribed to my channel, I would just advise you click on the subscribe button and also the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop any of my content. So on today's lesson, I will teach us on how to buy data on a cheap rate, or for people that want to be data vendors. This is just how to go about it. This is really how to go about it. I'm going to be introducing a platform that is very, very reliable and trustworthy for data um, resale, for resellers, or for people that wants to be data vendors. So I would recommend. There's this website I've been using for a while now, and they've been so reliable and trustworthy. So I'll be recommending mobile. Just check on the screen. Mobile nig.com. So on this platform, you get data on cheaper rates, very very cheap, and it lasts. Because okay, recently I met people and they were like, all these resellers, their data don't last, it doesn't last. Man, I tell you, these people, they are so reliable and theirs last for long, and you can count on this. You can also check my referral link on the description of this video to use my referral link and also support what I am doing. So to get started, if you've not registered, of course you need to register. So you click on get started. So under get started, you have to put your full name, your preferred username, the username you want to use. You put your email, a valid one, because you also need to confirm the email too. You put your phone number, you put your valid WhatsApp number. It is very very important. You put your location, this is your address, and then you put your password. What else? Yeah, you put your password and you confirm your password and you sign up. For me, I have signed up already, so I actually have an account already. So what do? I just come to sign in and sign in instead. So this is the sign in page. Let's check about this website. It's a resell internet data, BTU, utility bills, and family make cash. Okay, this platform is not only for data. You can also use it for VTU, that is to sell cards. You can use it for your GoTV subscriptions also. You can also use it for airtime to cash. This method, this particular method, let me explain what I mean by airtime to cash. I made a video last week about what this is. You might as well try to recharge 1,000 and you recharge 10,000. So with this platform or this place here, you can change that airtime you've gotten or you've bought by mistake to cash back to your account. So that is what I mean. So let's go back to the registration page and I'll log in here. So this is my login. So I will just have to put my username, password. So this is my password. I'll then sign in. So this is my password. So this is how the dashboard looks like. This is how the dashboard looks like. This is how the dashboard looks like. So If you want to buy data, you come to buy data here. This is where you buy data. So let's try to buy data. Okay, if you can remember, I talked about airtime to cash. Convert airtime to cash. So this is just it. So this is the buy data option. Buy data. You come here, you put the number you want. The plan is this always MTN SIM. You come here, you choose the network you want to. So as you can see, data vendors actually sell 500 megabytes for 200 naira or 230. They sell MTN 1 gig for 300, but it is 230 on this platform. They sell 2 gig for 600, but it is 460 here. They sell 3 gig for 900, but it is 690 here. With this, you can be making lot of cash. I tell you, lot of cash on this platform. So okay, let's say you want to do 500 megabytes. You put the number here. You put the number here, and you buy, and that is all. So with this platform, you can make cool cash being a data vendor. I hope you've not lost in my lessons, but if there's any place you actually lost out from this lesson, go to the comment section and drop a comment. I would answer you. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.